Big day today, folks. We're going to be walking all the way to the New York Stock Exchange, and on top of that, we're going to hit up Times Square, the Empire State Building, Washington Square Arch, and I plan on also going to the 9/11 Memorial Museum. So let's go. You guys are coming with me. Let's get after it. And the starting point is the Yotel Hotel. It's on 42nd and 10th Ave, so we're going to have some walking to do today, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, we're off to Times Square. It's about 5 minutes from here. Let's go. All right, guys, leaving Times Square right now, going to the Empire State Building. Gonna make a left right up here on 35th. Let's see. Damn, that thing's pretty freaking big. That's what she said. So I'm debating whether I should go to this Foot Locker right here, or just make the right on 6th Ave and go all the way to the Washington Arch. Let's just do that. So now's where the bulk of the walk is coming in, guys. Man, the sun, finally. So I'm doing a little detour, guys. Gonna make a left on 23rd, go to the Flatiron Building, then ride 5th Avenue all the way down to Washington Square Arch. Let's do it. Check it out, guys. So that's Madison Square Park right there, and this is the Flatiron Building. Look at that. So I'd say I'm about halfway there now. I've been walking for about 30 minutes, 1.5 miles, halfway to the New York Stock Exchange. Look at this building, guys. Holy smokes. That is freaking beautiful. Check that out. Wow. Check it out, guys. That is freaking awesome. Wow. Look at that. We made it. All right, guys, so that was pretty awesome back there. We're going to go now to the New York Stock Exchange and then the 9/11 Memorial Museum. We're going to check it out. We're almost there. Stay along. So we're going to go to the 9/11 Museum first, and honestly, I haven't been there in a long time. I don't think I've even been there as an adult, to be honest. So yeah, I'm going to go check it out, and then we're going to go to the New York Stock Exchange. Let's go. It is super quiet, peaceful, calm over here, guys. It's almost like I'm the only one here. Made a little pit stop, guys, at Starbucks. Got an everything bagel with some cream cheese, of course. Butter's good too, but you got to get the cream cheese. Let's go. So we're a little under a mile from the museum. I've walked 3.3 miles so far, over 73 minutes. Almost there. All right, guys, so I made it to the museum. It took me about an hour and a half to walk here, over 4 miles, 4.1 miles, and I did make some detours and I ran around a little bit, but I was looking online for the tickets and they're actually free between 3:30 and 5 on Monday, and it's currently about 1:11 p.m. So I might just chill around here, go to the New York Stock Exchange, and come back when the tickets are free. Might as well save that money, guys. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, baby. We're almost there. Let's go. After 5 miles of walking, guys, we made it. New York Stock Exchange. Let's walk around a little bit, tour it out, and we'll head back. All right, guys, so I guess that's it. I mean, we took about an hour and a half, 2 hours to get here, 5 miles. Now I'm gonna walk all the way back, all the way down Broadway. It's probably gonna take me about an hour and a half to get back to where I started. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and we'll loop back in a second here to see how much I actually walked. So stay another 5 seconds. Alrighty, guys, officially back at the hotel. Finally, it took about, what? 3 hours and 40 minutes, 9.89 miles, 1,000 calories burned, which I'm not really looking at that, but almost 10 miles, guys, and I picked up some brioche on the way back. I don't even know how to say it. Brioche, brioche, I don't even freaking know. But picked up some, it's from this French place, I think. Or not, is it French? I don't know, guys, but it's called Aux Merveilleux de Fred. I'll put it up on the screen. It's really good stuff. So yeah, I mean, that's it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know in the comments. Hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe, follow, whatever platform you're watching this on. Follow along, and I'll catch you in the next video.